Hello, children, and welcome to the next video of this chapter, first of the book Vistas, the third level. Students, in part 1 of this chapter, we read that Charlie left his office late at night for home. He entered in the third level. There, everyone's dressing style was somewhat old fashioned. Charlie needed 2 tickets to go to Gilsburg with his wife. He went to the ticket counter. He was having different currency than of those days currency. The clerk who was staring warned him that he would send him to the police station if Charlie tried to be smart in front of him. So, students, now we will learn about the next part of this story. So, let's begin. When the clerk warned him, Charlie turned away from there and wanted to escape. So he same way came out of the third level as he entered in it. He went back home. He took all his savings, that is about $300, and went to the bank to withdraw his entire savings and convert it into old money. But unfortunately, he could never find the way to the third level at the Grand Central Station again. His wife Louisa was worried as she heard about it. His wife told him not to search for the third level anymore, and Charlie stopped looking for it. He once again started taking interest in his hobby of stamp collection. Now, his friend Sam Werner, a psychiatrist, disappeared. He had a doubt that his friend Sam had also escaped to Gilsburg. But for him, it was unbelievable because Sam was living in the city and he would never go to Gilsburg. Charlie said that at his young age he went to school at Gilsburg. Sam was always interested in listening Charlie's childhood experiences. So, Charlie felt that Sam might have escaped to Gilsburg in 1894. When once Charlie was looking at his stamps collection, he came across a first day cover. A first day cover means an envelope that stamp collectors mail to themselves on the first day of its sale to mark the date. They are blank inside. He found his father's old first day cover. It had been mailed by someone to his father on 18th July 1894. There was a paper inside and a letter in it. It was addressed to Charlie, and writer, Mr. Sam, talked about the third level, and Sam had been there for 2 weeks. He even described the place. He asked Charlie and Louisa to never stop searching for the third level and come back. When he went to the stamp and coin store, Charlie found out that Sam had purchased $800 of old currency so that Sam could start a business of feed. Hay feed means food for animals and grain in Gilsburg. The irony is that Sam, his psychiatrist friend, who told him that third level didn't exist. But today he reached to the third level to live his life peacefully. So that's the end of the chapter, the third level. I hope you have understood this chapter well. Thank you and see you soon.